this slim bathroom cabinet from just one kitchen flat pack, I cut the original pieces into two along with an extra back and some shelves. Then I ironed on melamine to cover the raw edges. After transferring the pre-drilled holes onto the new pieces, I assembled them using Bondcrete adhesive and screws. I also made extra holes for the shelf pins. For the frame, I cut standard timber boards to fit using spacers to create a gap so the doors can open smoothly. Then I rounded the edges, sanded all over and sealed in monocell gold for a lovely protective finish. I repositioned the units in the frame and used spacers again to join them. I added push-to-open hinges and latches, then fitted the cabinet between the wall studs. An electrician installed hidden power points for a screen and to charge appliances. Lastly, I painted the doors the same as the walls for an integrated, seamless look.